everyone, it's Raquel of Raquel's Caribbean Cuisine, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious sweet coconut treat known as coconut drops in Jamaica. Really tasty. So here I have one degi coconut, one single dry coconut, but it will definitely work. So first I'm going to break the coconut. Make sure not to throw away the coconut water. You're just going to strain, allow it to chill. Quite refreshing. It's a delicious source of hydration. Yes. So now I'm going to remove the coconut from its shell. I'm going to give this a nice rinse. Then I'm going to cut these into small pieces. And this coconut drops is a childhood favorite. It's simple to make and it's very, very delicious. And I am a lover of coconut. Anything that have to do with coconut, just count me in. Yes. And now you're just going to cut this over which way you find comfortable, but make sure they are cut into small pieces. And this is the original coconut drops, but there are other treats that goes by the same name in different parts of the Caribbean. Just let me know what this is called in your area. Okay, so now that we have this coconut nice and ready, and this is about 3 to 4 cups. Now to this I'm going to add some shredded ginger, and that's about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And the ginger is everything. Give this treat a great deal of flavor. Yes. So here we have our coconut pieces and ginger. Now I'm going to add this to my thick Dutch pot, and you want a nice thick pot for this. Now in with some sugar. I did mention this is a sweet treat, and we are all running from too much sweet, but in everything you're going to do it in moderation. Yes. So now we're going to flavor up this pot. I'm going to add a cinnamon leaf, also some cinnamon powder. Also going to add some freshly grated nutmeg. Gives amazing flavor. Also going to add some vanilla essence, and I'm going to give this a nice mix. And this smells like when I'm baking a cornmeal or a sweet potato pudding. Similar ingredients, smells really, really good. Now to this, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 cups of water because you want to soften the coconut a bit. Then I'm going to allow this to cook under the lowest heat, covered for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the liquid becomes a thick, sticky syrup. Yes. So about 20 minutes later, it's getting there, but it's not fully there. So while that is cooking, I'm going to run the deep part of my backyard jungle for a piece of banana leaf. Yes, I'm going to give that a nice rinse. Then I'm going to place the coconut drops on it when they are done, just like how I see my grandparents used to do it. Now, about 30 to 35 minutes, this is looking just about right, but its smell is second to none. I'm going to remove this cinnamon leaf. It has already done its job. Then I'm going to place scoops onto the banana leaves so they could form and dry nicely, but make sure the syrup is not too runny or not too dry. 10 to 15 minutes later, and these were dry and formed nicely and ready to eat. Jamaican coconut drops. And when you're in Jamaica, you'll be sure to see a vendor in the streets or in the market selling these, or peanut drops in small bags. I want to tell you, these were good. The ginger was everything, plus the other spices and flavors. My son and I couldn't stop eating. These were done in a single go. They were absolutely delicious. I just want to thank you so very much for watching.